Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
We are done with the season of tributes for TK for tonight.
Thank you, Rocco. I mean, if you can allow Femi Odubeni to speak for me, why can I not speak? Why can I not speak for me? What is that? I'm entitled, please. Please, it's my entitlement. Well, this evening, really, oh, excuse me, please, the lights. They're just all in my face. This evening is about TK. I mean, I was looking at him today and I was just thinking to myself, TK made Ankara trousers cool long before it became cool. He's always worn Ankara trousers. Ankara has always been his favorite thing. We have come a long way. I started my career working on a set where he was director of photography in the early 80s. I'm talking about probably 1984 during Mirror in the Sun, and all those years at Cinecraft, where there were the terrible trio, the biggest production company at that time. Cinecraft, Uncle Wale Fanu, TK, Lola Fani Kayode. Every job that was any job that made any sense, that created any kind of waves, were done by those three. It was so sad. It was so sad when we had the breaking up. But one of the beauties of what God always has in mind is that, I don't know, maybe if they hadn't broken up, we wouldn't have had the gems of Shawaroide and all the other projects that then came after the moving apart. And I also find it interesting that when TK did Magu, I'm going to throw a cat among the pigeons right now, is that there was this rubbish that went on in the industry at the time where TK, a whole TK, the only director of photography that has come out of Nigeria, in which New York did a retrospective on way back. I think that must have been probably 2000 and something, way back, 2005, yes? You know, and he does Magu, and some stupid cretins who just got up yesterday and decided that they knew, because somebody had taught them how to say action, cut, now decided that they were going to tell TK that he should keep to the Yoruba genre. Am I lying or am I lying? Some twerps. I am so grateful for a day like today, wondering where those twerps are and seeing where TK is. They thought they were the movers and the shakers, and the mover and the shaker let them know who the mover and the shaker is. TK, I publicly want to say thank you to you for the way you have looked after me on the various boards that we have sat on together. On the board of Kwara State, I'm the only woman. I'm supposed to be the MD of the Melete Film Village. That's kind of folded up now. But at that time, whenever all the other men want to start bullying me, himself and Oga Bello will all, TK especially, will go, Yahweh Gary. Aye, Gary. And always, behave yourself. We are now on another board together, the board of the Nigerian Film and Video Censors Board. And okay, you can do the exact thing after I've gone, because I'm Yahweh, but I'm a Negosha, full-blooded. So we're on the Nigerian Film and Video Censors Board together at the moment, and it's sounding pretty interesting. I'm looking forward to it. We have an incredible chairman. TK is the chairman. He's the strong, silent type. He's watching everything that's going on, and then when he wants to make his intervention, it is shocky, but powerful. TK, God bless you. This is, you have attained the position of the elders. The Lord has always said, 80 years and 10. You've attained 70. So you have joined an elite club of the elders who have achieved so much before getting to this stage. But what I do want to tell you, what I decree and declare, is that your great years are ahead of you. There is that incredible film. There is that film that is still going to come out of it, that's going to come out of you. We are going to celebrate you much more than the entire world celebrates Sembene Usman. You are, I have always said it, that you are Nigeria's Sembene Usman, but you are Africa's Sembene Usman. Whenever we are going to talk about film, from now on, you will be the mark, you will be the benchmark with which we shall refer to filmmaking in Nigeria. It will be TK and others. At the time of TK, before TK, after TK, it shall always be like that. In the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.